Hi friends, this video shows how to safely remove the memory card from security camera. So this is a MI camera which I am using. So here you can see if you move this camera up and down, so we can move it using your hand. If you move to up, here we can see the memory card slot. So from here we can remove the memory card, but before removing it we need to unmount. That is a safe way to remove it. So I will show you how to unmount. Open MI Home app. I already connected this security camera to MI Home app. So tap on this camera icon. Then tap on storage management. Then tap on memory card here. Then tap on memory card is working normally. Then here we can see unmount SD card. Tap on that. Then tap on OK. So that is the one option. I will show you the second option. Tap on these three dots on top right corner. Then tap on manage storage. Then tap on SD card status. Then tap on unmount SD card. Then tap on OK. Okay, done. You can see no memory card available. So now we can remove the memory card. Just press inside. See, this way we can safely remove the memory card. Okay, so please try this.